when you lower your boxes toward the top, make sure the flaps face down. Otherwise, it's gonna get stuck.
We load it evenly, making sure none of the boxes get stuck on top. Then we close the gates. And we turn the key to start.
Now the bale is full. We want to put a flat box, usually a long piece of box, on the top. When you see this percentage near 75%, then we should be doing bale. A couple items we need are gloves and our safety glasses.
Now second, what we do is take out the plastic. We have to untie it.
Now we're gonna open up the baler by twisting the handle. The bale is about 85%, so we're gonna use 6 wires. If the bale is a lot smaller, we'll use 4 wires.
We go through the bottom. We put the wires through the hole.
Once in a while, there will be no holes in the back of the baler, so you'll need to use this tool to poke a hole. That's beautiful. And then pull the wire through. And the other thing we want to pay attention to is the wire coming to the right hole. We want to make sure it's not coming from here. All right, so we're gonna tie the wire together. Once you go through, you pull it tight, okay? Pull it tight. And then I just kind of go behind my wire right here. Okay? And you just want to go a couple times. And since I have a lot of wires left, I go back down, just kind of twist it.
We get a pallet and make sure it's facing the right way with a certain amount of distance for the bale to fall on top.
This is the control of the baler. The only thing you need to know is the big red stop button, the key button, manual up, and auto. You don't need to use manual down. So after we do a bale, we want to keep this as low as possible. But in order to push this in, we need to let this up a little bit. So we do that after we tie the bale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we double check if it's coming out of the right hole. If it doesn't come in the right hole, what happens, it will break the wire.
Next, we're going to pull the red handle. Handle. Start. Let's stop it. We're going to push this so it locks in place. If you're pushing the handle and it doesn't go in, it's probably because you have cardboard all the way in the back. Okay, you have to make sure you get that all out. Next, we're going to release the bale. Pull on the red knob.
When the bale's ejecting, don't stand right here. Once in a while, these wires will break. So you want to stand to the side.
Make sure all cardboard is on so it doesn't get stuck. Next thing, we're going to drop it. I'm going to close this. I'm going to close the gate. And press start for the key. And put down flat cardboard boxes. And now I'm going to close it. I'm going to twist this little thing to lock it. And that's how we make a bale. The last thing we do is make sure we have a plastic bag for our plastic garbage. I kind of already missed it. Hi, Anai. Thank you.
But that's not part of the video.
Sorry.
So you can stop now.
No.
You don't need the whole thing.
Yes, we do.
You can stop.
I don't know what to say.
Go ahead.
I forgot what to say.
Okay, go ahead.